Good morning, brothers and sisters. It is 6:59 a.m. Central Standard Time on February the 21st, 2022. And I'm actually here with a heavy heart, believe it or not, because I have a feeling that maybe some good people have been infiltrated. They've been taken out, and there is an AI bot in their place, or someone that's pretending to be them when it's not. Or maybe they've been gotten to. I don't know. But something has changed. Something has altered with someone who individuals I looked up to here, actually. Planet X News. There's Dr. Albers, and can't remember the gentleman's name. I'm believing it's her. Dr. Albers is a female. This is her husband's channel, Planet X News. And they used to be extremely credible. They're actually one of the ones, believe it or not, that actually got me started with looking for it myself. When I stumbled upon their channel years ago, I happened to go, holy cow, look at this. This is fantastic. So then I started looking myself for it, and I was able to find it. And I want to show you what I mean by but. Here we can clearly see October 28th, okay, 1612, 1512. Clearly see this object. In fact, let me just blow this up here real nice for you, for everybody to see that. Now, this is on their channel. You can see they got a little stamper here, okay? You can clearly see it here. Okay, all it is they just, they took a screenshot, and then they went in their filter settings and in their adjustments, and they just made it a little more clear. Maybe did some enhancement, and I only mean enhancements of what's already there. Maybe added a filter, a color ink filter. They could have went, this one looks like they went black and white. You can add hue to it, take away hue. I do the same things. In fact, I'll even go through a photo and I'll show you how it's done. I'll walk you guys through it. But we can see the time here, okay, on the 28th. Now, the one on the left is 1512, the one on the right is 1612. We can clearly see that, right? Well, I have these same photos. Okay, and I'm going to go to it right here. Here's 1600. Actually, let me maximize this for us. We can clearly see it. Here's 1512. We can clearly see it. It's right here. Very clear to see. And this is on the 28th. Okay, just like this is 28th. Okay, so we're all seeing the same image, same thing. Here's another one, 28th, 1524. So the information is good. Their filter, they could be using an Apple. I'm using a Lenovo, so it could just be a difference in features. What brings out what's there, right? So we see that. Well, when I say I come to you guys with heavy heart, let me show you what I mean now. Going to go back on this one here. Alright. First place we're going to come to is on the 16th. Okay, this is a short. You see this time here? I'll mute this damn thing. We look at this time here. We're showing the 16th between 2:36 and 3:12. Okay, we can see it here, right? In three images, 2:36, 3:12, and 3:24. Okay, that's what they're showing. Now, oh, what day was that again? Sorry, I gotta go back and look. On the 16th. Now let's come here and we'll go to the 16th. Right here. $2:36. It's not there. That dark image, it is. They have actually put in CGI. It is not here. You can see this part here, but then look, you have a half crescent moon out of it. But this is the object that they actually did a CGI on. Now let me show you what I mean. They're actually adding stuff in, and it actually does bother me, because it really, see, look, It has been completely CGI'd. I'm going to blow it up. Oh, come on. Look at this. Right here, you can see where that half crescent moon part is right here. At 248. Right there. They've added this in. There was no usage of filters to make this correct, to make this pop out like this. This was added. This is CGI work. And like I said, it's with heavy heart because I really enjoyed these individuals. A lot of the stuff that they've had in the past, back in October, was correct. I was able to do the same thing. I can't do the same thing with this. It's not a possibility. And I'll show you what I mean. Now let's go to another, their other one that they have on here, the 17th. Now this one, believe it or not, is kind of like, what? Now this one I was calling some BS on one thing in particular. We're looking at 2348. You guys see this? This is an emoji. Yes, I mean emoji, and I said emoji. There's sunglasses here. There's sunglasses, a nose, a goatee, and a smile right here in the middle. This is a freaking emoji, man. With sunglasses, a nose, and a goatee. I'm hoping you guys can see this emoji. I mean, it's very clear to me that's an emoji. Okay? And I'm like, okay, you guys are nuts. Who can't see this? And so I was pretty sure that it was Dr. Albers, right? Or Planet X News. However, and I do mean however, let's go over to the 17th. Once again, here's the 16th. We can see that where that cut came in right here, right? In fact, I tell you what, we'll go like this. We'll do this one together, okay? I just took a screenshot and we'll try to edit it and see if we can't get the same thing, but we won't be able to. Next day, 17th. I'm going to cycle through. But look at this. There is actually, it looks like there's a doggone emoji here. So on this one, I actually kind of have to let them have it. There's the emoji. See it? Right there? There's the sunglasses and the goatee. So it's like, okay, I actually kind of have to give them this one. There was actually something there that looked like a doggone emoji. With as retarded as it looks, there's something that looks like an emoji there. So, we'll do this too. And I will see you in my photo editors here in just a moment. And I will pull these up and we will work on them. I'll show you how I do it. Okay, here's the one screenshot that we got at 2348, which is the same as their time. And all I do is I actually just come down here like this and I cut out all the extra bull crap a little bit, if you will. Actually, probably be easier if I took it over like this. And then brought this up like this. Whoop. Now I've got a much better photo, right? Alright. So, then just come over to adjustments. You got clarity. And look at that. You can start seeing that little emoji with the sunglasses now, right? So this one, I would actually, and then let's just adjust the lighting. That may not do it. I mean, you can kind of see it a little bit brighter. But what you can do is you can come over to your filters. And you have photo enhancements. Where you can enhance it. You can bring it a little bit more, a little bit less, however you want. Now, there are filters like sauna. Well, that one actually pops out pretty good there, doesn't it? And then there's filter intensity. You can increase the intensity, bring it down a little bit. You know, you can kind of play with it how you want. And the enhancements. So about like that. So it really kind of pops out there. And you can really see that face pretty well. Then come back over to adjustments. Adjust your color how you like. And say, okay, that's good enough. And then you just say, okay, let's just save that. Boom. And it's saved. Okay. So we have this one. We actually have the emoji, the with the sunglasses and the goatee, which is funny. However, now we're gonna do it on this one. We're gonna do this one together. so you guys can see that I'm not just, I'll take you through the process. I'm not scared to do it. Never have been. I think I've even done a video showing you guys what I do to these things to get things to pop, but we'll just do it just for giggles. Come over to adjustments, go to clarity, light and darkness. Don't really see that much. Now we can clearly see that there is something here, but it doesn't come all the way over here like this and make a complete round object like that. I mean, let's take a look again. Well, not this one. Hang on just a second. So here we are on Planet X News. Okay, this is from the 16th. Okay, you can see it right up here. 03/12/13. And you can see that the indentation is here, but there's nothing that's perfect round like that. That does not exist over here on this one. See how I showed it there? But let's just, for giggles, let's just come on over to filters, right? We'll enhance it a little bit. You can still see that there's something there. Come over here to sauna, and we'll try to mess with the filter intensity a little bit. Still not doing it. If anything, it looks like Pac-Man. I mean, something is taken out of it. Let's adjust the enhancements to see if we can enhance it. Anything that's there. Now, all I'm doing is enhancing something that already exists. Trying to adjust this here, and it's just not doing it, folks. It's not the same. They are imposing something there. So here's mine. Okay. Here's theirs. And there's nothing there. So what happened to them? That's the question. Did somebody get to them? Are they being replaced with fakes? I don't know. Are they just doing this for likes because, it's what they do? I don't know. But something's amiss. And here's another thing that has me a little suspicious. Look at their times here. This is on the 19th, 21/12. 21/12. Look right here. Supposedly it's right here, right? Well, let's go here. Let's go back to the 19th. It's gotta go through this. Hang on just a second. Okay, 21/12. On the 19th, 21/12/13. It's supposed to be right there, right? 21/12/13. Where? Now here, I'll actually go one frame at a time. You don't see it anywhere. You can kind of maybe see it where they're showing that it's supposed to be right here. And they're showing it being out here, but it's not there. They have done superimposing. Now here you can kind of see it. Right here. At 23/24, 23/36. You can kind of see it there. Okay? But that's it. You don't see it as being portrayed here. You just don't. It's because it's not. They have superimposed and put things in there. That's all I can tell you. I mean, you can clearly see it here, just clear as day. Oh, that's great. Really? Yeah, well, how come I can't see it over here when I'm doing it at all? Something's amiss, folks. This is why I do this. This is why I even tell everyone here that follows me, all my subs, don't believe me. Don't. When you see something that's and you resonate with it and you feel it's good and true, perfect. Go look it up yourself. This is why I tell everyone, don't believe me, go look this up yourself. Go to these websites. That's why I do full screen, so you can see exactly where I'm at, so that you can hit pause, enter it in. The truth comes out eventually. All things in the dark will come to light eventually. So please do this work yourself. This is why I do this. Even though I'm kind of disappointed a little, I'm not going to lie. But this is why I do this. So that truth, only truth, can shine. Remember, folks, keep your eyes open. No fear. And love is the only way forward.